Hey folks, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to view private accounts on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. Private accounts on Instagram are actually accounts that you can't access or you can't view without a proper authorization to the account. That is, you need to be an authorized follower or a follower of that account before you'll be able to view details like their photos and videos, including hashtags, location, and also their follower account and follower list. So if you aren't a follower of this account, you won't be able to view their activity on the platform. Alright, so if I go ahead and search for a private account, you can see that this account is private and you need to follow this account to see their photos and videos. Well, that's the most straightforward way and it isn't the only way. So I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can use to access or you can use to view private accounts on Instagram. So let's Alright, so before we kick off, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. And to be sure about this, just open your Google Play Store, search for Instagram. Alright, and then you make sure that you update it if you aren't already at the latest version. Alright, so after Instagram has updated to the latest version, you want to open it and go back to your profile. Now click on this search icon and search for the account that you want to view its private content. So as it is like this, you want to copy this username and also take a screenshot of the page like that. So next you click on this 3-dot icon here and copy profile URL equally. Now return to your account profile and click on this hamburger sign up here, and then you scroll all the way to help to the bottom to find the help section. Click on help. Right here you just click on report a problem and then you turn off this, you toggle this off, this shake phone to report a problem. By default it is turned on for easy report. You just turn that off, toggle it off like that, and then you click on report a problem. So you want to click on include and continue, and here you want to explain to Instagram that you are actually a real friend to this account profile, but due to some glitches or some issues that you face within the app, you are unable to access your real friend's account, that his account is actually private and that you've updated precise to them, that you've updated to the latest version of Instagram, but you can still view their content. So as a sample report, here's what you want to ask Instagram. You want to send to Instagram as a problem. You can tell them that you're unable to view this profile because you guys have not been in contact for really long, and that this Instagram profile is the only way that you can get in contact with this person for you to know how they are actually doing. And you also request Instagram's help in helping you get access to this account profile, so you'll be able to get in touch with the person that you want to view their profile. So you want to equally include the screenshot as well, and after including the screenshot, just send it to Instagram. Click on that send button and hopefully they'll come back to you with a positive reply and helping you getting access to this account, letting you view their profile and even getting in contact with them. So while this method isn't a 100% guaranteed method, it is actually a working method and it has worked for many out there, including me as well. So you want to try it out and see how it works out for you. And if you need this sample text, I'll be providing a link to it in the video description and in the comment section, so you want to check that out in order to get access to the account that you want to view on Instagram. Alright, so the second and most straightforward method would be to actually request to follow them. So what you want to do is you just click on this follow button, and the person or the owner, the account owner, is going to actually accept your request, your follow request, and letting you access their account, access the content of the account, their public profile, without having to go through some necessary steps. So this is the most straightforward way to actually view private Instagram accounts, and you want to click on this follow button to view the profile content after the owner has accepted you. and I think you should already probably know about this method because it's the most straightforward method that works over 80% cases. Alright, so the third and last method that you want to try is to create a new Instagram account. If you don't want the account owner to actually know that you are the one sending them this follow request, you want to try out this third method, which involves you creating another Instagram account. Okay, so it is a 100% legit method as well, and the account owner won't be able to identify you as the owner because you'll be creating this account with different details depending on your preferences. So you want to come to your profile icon and select add existing account, add account. Then after click on that button, click on create new account, and after that you want to enter a username, and after entering your username you want to click on create new password instead. You can also select continue to make in such a way that the account should be inconsistent with this account, but for the privacy reasons, just that the account that you want to actually view shouldn't know that you're the one that's requesting their follow request. You want to click on create new password instead, and then you enter a password. You can also use suggested passwords. You can just enter something very strong, and after that just click on this next button to create your new Instagram account. So after creating a new Instagram account, you want to go back to the profile. And you search for the account that you want to view their content. So after that, once on this profile, just click on the follow button. As you click on this follow button, they won't know that you are the one that is actually requesting a follow, that's following them to view their account access. And make sure the account that you've created looks very legit. Attach to it the profile photo and give it a proper description, so this person that you're following, that you're looking to view their account photos and videos, they will know that you are actually a legit account. So make sure you attach some legit stuff to it to make it even more credible. So just click on this follow button after creating that account, and then within some time, depending on the person's likeness, they will approve your follow request and you'll be able to view their account profile without you using your original Instagram account. Okay, so this person will not know that you're the one that is viewing their content, and you on that side, you'll be on the safe side viewing their content without them even knowing that you are the actual person viewing that. Okay guys, those were the 3 methods that you can use to view private Instagram accounts, the 3 legit methods. Okay, so all of these methods are working on the Instagram profile, and you will not need to interfere with third-party services or third-party apps. So forget about all those platforms that say they will let you access Instagram account, private account. They are all scams and fakes. So you want to put your 100% log into the Instagram app and follow the proper steps to view private accounts on Instagram. Okay, so you can use the first method, which involves reporting a bug within the Instagram app, so creating a frame to make them know that there is actually a bug that prevents you from getting in contact with your friend that's having the private Instagram account. And the second method would be to just click on that blue follow button right away. Just click on it, and then the person that has the account will approve your follow request and you'll be able to view their content. And if you don't need them to know that you are actually the one requesting their following, you just need to create a new Instagram account and add some credible stuff to it, add a description, give it the proper name, and follow them. Once they approve your follow request, you'll be able to view their content, their account photos and videos without them even knowing that you are the one that is viewing that content. So those are the 3 legit and best methods that you can use to view private Instagram account. Okay guys, if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to push it out to others, subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming updates. Alright, so I'll catch you on the next one.